If you're seeing the itch.io error with your request, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can usually get you back into the site or your game fast. This is a common issue, and most of the time it comes down to a browser problem, a temporary outage, or using the wrong way to launch a game you already downloaded. If this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's jump right in. First, let's rule out a browser issue. Sometimes your cache or old cookies can cause itch.io to load incorrectly, which can trigger strange request errors. The easiest way to test this is to open an incognito or private browsing window and try itch.io again. In most browsers, you can do this from the menu in the top right. Open a new incognito window, then type in itch.io and see if the site loads normally. If it works in incognito, that's a strong sign the problem is stored browser data and not the site itself. If you want to fix it in your normal browser, go ahead and clear your cache and cookies for itch.io or for your browser entirely. After that, fully close the browser and reopen it, then try the page again. This simple step often resolves outdated session data, broken logins, or cached errors that can stop the site from responding properly. Next, check whether itch.io is having a larger service issue. If the site is down, there may be nothing wrong on your end at all. A quick way to confirm that is to search for Downdetector and itch.io status. Open Downdetector, look up itch.io, and see whether other users are reporting problems at the same time. If you see a big spike in reports, the issue is likely on itch.io's side, and the best fix may simply be waiting a little while and trying again later. Now, if your problem is with a game you already downloaded, there's another important workaround. Instead of trying to launch it through the website, open the itch.io desktop app and start it from your library there. This can bypass website errors completely. The desktop app keeps your downloaded games organized, and it can launch titles directly without relying on the browser. So, if the site is acting up, but the game is already installed, the app is often the fastest solution. To do that, open the itch.io desktop app, sign in if needed, and go to your library. Find the game you want to play and launch it from there. If the game opens successfully, then the issue is probably limited to the website or browser session rather than the game itself. That means you've found a useful workaround while the online issue gets resolved. So to recap, first test itch.io in an incognito window or clear your cache and cookies, then check Downdetector to see if itch.io is having an outage, and finally use the itch.io desktop app if you're launching a downloaded game. These 3 steps solve most request errors and can save you a lot of time. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and leave a comment if you want more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.